Hello students, this is session number 1 of lesson number 3 and the name of the chapter is Database Management System with MSSS. These are 5 learning objectives. First one is what is database, second is why we need database, third is concept of database management system, fourth is what is MSSS, and fifth is what is relational database. Today we will discuss first two learning objective. First is what is database and second is why we need database. Introduction. Raw means unprocessed. Data stored in computers is meaningless, but when such data is converted into information, it is useful and meaningful. Computer databases are used to store, manage, and analyze large amounts of information quickly and efficiently. Next is what is database? A database is a collection of data that is organized in a manner that can be easily retrieved. Retrieved means to find. One basic feature of database is that data is organized in a systematic way, such as a tabular format like this. This one is tabular format. Now, definition of database. A database is a set of data that has a regular structure and that is organized in such a way that a computer can easily find the desired information. A database consists of fields, records, and files, much like a telephone directory. It's a telephone directory. ID, area code, last name, first name, address, phone, these are all fields. And this one is complete record, and this whole one is telephone directory, it's a file. Now come to what is a field. A field is a single piece of information like your last name. Your last name is one field. Fields are generally headings. These headings are fields. ID, area code, last name, first name, address, and telephone number. Next is record. A record is one complete set of fields. Your entry in the telephone directory is a record. This one, this record, it's a complete record. Total there are 2 records. Next is file. A file is a collection of records, the entire telephone directory. This one, this entire telephone directory is a one file. Next is types of database. There are 2 types of databases. First is flat file databases and second is relational database. Now first one, flat file databases are generally plain text files that can be used by local applications to store data. And next is relational database. Relational database are databases that stores the data in several tables and link those tables to access meaningful information. Now next topic is why do we use database? Let's consider an example. A school has to maintain information about teachers, students, subjects, examination, etc. If all this information is stored manually, we have to maintain separate registers. So it will be more time consuming and error prone. Today we have some application that can solve problems in just a few seconds like Visual, Fox Pro, and second one is MSSS, etc. Here we are using MSSS A database program helps the user to do the following jobs. First job is store information. A database store information that is related to a particular subject or purpose. It could be a list of students in school or business information or a list of thousands of customers. A database also makes it easy to add, update, organize and delete information. Second job is find information. We can easily and instantly locate information stored in a database. For example, you can find names of all the students with last name is Kumar. Third job is analyze and print information. You can perform calculation on the given raw data in a database. For example, you can calculate what percent of total school fee comes from the junior branch, and you can also make a presentable, professional looking printed report. Next job is manage information. Database make it easy to work with and manage huge means large amount of information. For example, with a few keystrokes you can change the old bus route of hundreds of students to a new bus route. And the last one is share information. Most database programs including Microsoft Access means MSSS, allow more than one user to view and work with the same information at one time. Okay, bye.